Hey everyone, my name is Keshante Chantel and welcome to my channel. So if you have been to this channel before, you know how much I am obsessed with Sonny Angels. I have just jumped on the trend. I love them. They serve their purpose. They make me happy. And I ordered a bunch of Sonny Angel stuff that I am so excited to share with you guys. So we're gonna do an unboxing video today. If that's something that you're interested in, if you want to learn more about Sonny Angels, then stick around. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join my beautiful online family. And guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started with this unboxing because I've had some of this stuff for a week or longer and I've just been waiting for it all to come in so that I can just go ahead and do the unboxing. So let's get to it. If you remember my Texas video, I was in Texas about 3 weeks ago and I picked up my first item from the Sonny Angel just kind of collection as a whole, and I got this little hipper. This is from the animal series. It's got its little booty out, which is so cute to me. But this can go on your cell phone. It can also go on your laptop, just any electronics, and they just look so super cute. Well, I have my iPad here. If I wanted to pretty much attach this to my iPad, it would stick on the back like that. So I picked up another hipper. This is from the Harvest series, and these are the ones that you can collect. So first things first about Sonny Angels. If you're not familiar, what it is they're little figurines of little baby angels. And so like this one specifically, each collection is going to come with a figurine. You don't know which one you're gonna get. So I guess kind of how they make their money is, you know, there's gonna be a specific one that you want. You open it up to see if you got it. If you don't, then you'll buy another. It's just a mystery package. And then they also have like their secret ones. They have Robbie, which I correct me if I'm wrong, that is from like the Backyardigans or something. And then they also have like a secret one that, you know, is really cute. So we're gonna start off with our angel. This is from the animal series, and we're just going to open this one and see what we got. Now, I have these nails on, so I'm going to cut the plastic on this first. And guys, get into my nails. Are they not just the cutest? So I was going for like this Korea kind of theme. I don't know. I've seen the girls like kind of wearing the charms on their fingers and they're super cute. So I got a bunch. I got some from the animal series, the Harvest series, and I also got some from the, well, I also got one from the dinosaur series. So this one right here, the one that I wanted is the fawn. Y'all, I don't know, what the hell is this? It doesn't say. I don't know what that is. I'm so confused. Is this the secret one? Well, that's a bummer. I don't know what it is, and it doesn't necessarily say what it is on this right here. Let's move on to the next one. So this one is from the dinosaur series. I absolutely love dinosaurs. T-Rex are my favorite. Let's see which one that we get, because I could definitely go for the Tyrannosaurus or the Triceratops. So let's see which one. All right, I'll let you guys see which one I get first. I don't know. Oh, he's cute. I got the Stegosaurus. So that, he's so cute. He's so cute. So, oh, I'm happy with this. Like all of them from the dinosaur series are super cute. So I'm okay with that. This one is from the animal series. So if I was to want anyone, it would be the peacock, definitely the lion, and the cheetah. and the cheetah. So, all right, guys. Pop it. All right, so I'll let you guys see which one I get first. Is this a hippo? Yeah, it's a hippo. It's pink, so it's cute. Like, you just can't go wrong with that. That's adorable. All right, so my very last one from just the regular figurines. This one is from the animal series, and the one that I want from this collection is either lop ear rabbit, crocodile, the giraffe. So far I haven't gotten any of the ones that I wanted, and one of them I don't even know what it is because it doesn't say it on the paper. So let's go. All right, I'm gonna pop it. All right, and you guys get to see which one I get first. Oh my gosh, what is this, a parrot? It's a macaw. Oh, like Blue from Rio. How cute. Well, Blue, I think, was a blue macaw. Okay, I can do it. Rio is one of my favorite movies. So these are my little figurines. So, of course, Casetify came out with a collab with Sonny Angels, and I got a phone case. I've had this phone case for a very long time, and I've been waiting to put it on my phone. And let me show you which one I got, because I'm like, dang. So I got the Sonny Angel Casetify. This one is the strawberry, and oh my gosh, this case is so adorable. It is so adorable. I'm obsessed. I knew I was gonna like it. It's so pretty. Their cases are a little pricey, but at the end of the day, this is so cute. And like, from what I've heard nothing but good things about Casetify. So I was super excited to spend the money. Wasn't a big deal. But yeah, this is my Sonny Angel phone case, but bought a hipper to go on it. So we're gonna see which one I got. All right, we're gonna pop it. The one that I want is, of course, I want the strawberry, because the strawberry is gonna go with the phone case, of course. But we'll see. If not, it's still gonna be super cute, and I'm not mad. Okay. I'm gonna keep my eyes open for this one. Or no, I'll close them. Okay, let's see. Oh, the eggplant is really cute. That one's really cute too. I'm not mad at it because it's purple. And he's got his little leg up. So yeah, that's really cute. I'm satisfied. So I got the phone case, but where would I put my phone? Of course, put your phone in a bag, of course. So Sonny Angels just released this collection. It is a bag to put your Sonny Angels in that you can wear them around. And I was like, I saw it as soon as it went on sale. Like, I literally had to get this bag. So this is what the bag looks like. You would just insert your Sonny Angels inside, and it is super cute. So let's put them in. And you would take your Sonny Angels and you're gonna put them in the tote bag like that. Of course, right now, I only have 5 to insert in my tote. I am gonna purchase more because it comes with 8 slots for you to be able to put your Sonny Angels in. And being that this was my first time buying them, I didn't want to go too overboard with it. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. So this is pretty much what it looks like when they're in the bag. So this is so super cute. I'm gonna get more Sonny Angels to go in them, but for right now, I'm just obsessed with this. This is super cute. I don't care what you spend your money on. I like what I like, and Sonny Angels is just it. I put the chain from Miniso on the side, and then I'll just pull it like that. And then I'm going to put my hipper right here. So it comes with like a little peel away thing. And then we'll just take it and put it right here. So this is what it looks like. This is what the phone case looks like. Again, I got this from Miniso for $5.99. I got my Sonny Angel case from Case2Five for $72. And the Sonny Angel, I got this one from Violet in Texas. So this is so cute. What a great way to accessorize your phone. My phone just looks so cute. It's so cute. That was my Sonny Angel haul. I am so obsessed with this. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for tuning into my unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join my beautiful online family. And guys, we'll do more of these unboxings later. So see you guys in my next video. I can't wait to take this bag out because I'm gonna get so many questions like, what are those little babies? And I can't wait to introduce someone else to Sonny Angel. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.